everybody again, here we are. This time I bring you the Mitsubishi Lancer, the rally car from 74 1600 GRS Rally. Okay, I like these classic cars and they're not behaving like the fresh ones, but it's okay. I like just the classic car. So in this one we bring it with update, took it up maximum 317 horsepower with 31.6 kilograms of foot torque of it and only 767 kilograms of weight, so it's pretty light. I think it's pretty light. So let's see how it behaves, the oldie. Okay, here she is. This one I did the same thing like I did with the other dirt rally cars and all that. The settings I got on it, I can use them on dirt and on track. Here uphill, it's not that the car doesn't pick up speed going up here, it's just I couldn't transfer traction to the wheels. I was losing traction very quick. I had maybe too short of a radio in first gear or second, but the problem was if in first gear, if you're too slow, it doesn't pick up reps. So I had to floor a little bit and try to make it go uphill, so it was losing traction a lot because it's only two-wheel drive, so it makes it on this thing more difficult to go on than the four-wheel drive ones. You use control very easy. And here we go, flying again. I just love that jump. But this one's pretty tricky on that jump. You have to be careful because it takes you to the in drive for the box area very easily. It happened a couple of times. So here we got it with the same settings like on dirt, but because it's asphalt you can transfer the traction better to the wheels. Put it down and there you go. It drives nice. I like it. It's a little old fast thing, not incredibly fast, but it's fun to drive. Turns in pretty well. It handles well the amount of power you put into it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the videos, and let's see the job on the thing. Here we are. That's what we did to it. So just a little. I had to work a little bit on it for the dirt to make a little bit of transfer of traction because I couldn't. So and didn't touch it there either. It was okay like that. If you need it, just. But I think it goes okay as it is. You don't need to touch it really. Depends on your style of driving. For me it was okay like that, so I decided to leave it, not fiddle around. Unless you start putting some spoilers on it, that it's not that powerful that it really needs them. So I hope you like the work on it and you can use it and it's useful out there, guys. Please comment, I will really appreciate it and know what you think about it. Thanks guys, enjoy!